We're gonna get KREEKCRAFT in here, and we're gonna do a little pranksy doodle. Hey, Kreek, guess what?
What?
Me and Sammy, we want to give something to you. Isn't that right, Sammy?
You want to give something to me? What do you want to give?
Yeah, Sammy and me, you know, Sammy feels really bad. Yeah, see, he has a gift for you. Turn around, Kreek.
Let's go. Oh my god! Oh my god! This is the most fucked up I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, you're welcome, Kreek.